Hi there. Will AI make human beings more productive or will it make human beings more lazy and stupid? Let's talk about that. AI, which is the abbreviation for artificial intelligence, is actually a new disruptive technology which is out there to enhance efficiencies through enabling machines to be able to simulate human intelligence. And of course, AI is powered by different applications out there. For example, natural language processing, for example, speech recognition, just to mention a few. All these are aimed at enhancing productivity, enabling machines out there to simulate or mimic human intelligence in the long term to make human tasks more and more seamless. You are all most welcome to the Money Daily YouTube channel. My name is Afagza Sifuna. If you are new here, kindly consider joining the family by subscribing. Subscribe to this channel, and also while you at it, drop a like on this video. Thank you. When someone steps back and takes a look at AI, the bigger idea is novel. Reason being, where we are as a world, we require some forms of efficiencies out there. And of course, in the long term, also some scientists out there are fearing for repercussions of AI, like things around, for example, job losses. Things around, for example, even some machines being more intelligent than human beings out there. And of course, we've seen this. To give you an example, we saw, for example, the to-go, and also we saw chess, computers, whereby computers out here can be able to even beat grandmasters out there, which is kind of insane because you are training them to mimic human intelligence and they become more intelligent than human beings. And with that, do you think that in the long term, AI is going to assist human beings out there to be more productive, or actually, because these machines are going to become extremely intelligent than human beings are going to slack off and even so become lazy and stupid? Here is my opinion. First thing is that AI, from the face of it, is actually enhancing people slacking off. In essence, laziness. And I'm saying so because the most basic of tasks human beings are used to doing, like for example, thinking around basic arithmetic, thinking around grammar, thinking about basic logics out there to make decisions. Imagine all these machines are now able to do. And even so, they are able to do that more sophisticated, looping in different scenarios. What does that mean? It means most people out there are gonna go, and actually they are currently going to machines to ensure it assists them with the initial thinking around basic fundamentals, logics, different basic thinking around arithmetic and so forth, just for them to be able to execute anything. And by the way, I'm saying so because even looking at this creative space, for example, YouTube, I was having a conversation with a couple of YouTubers just a few days ago. A simple AI solution like, for example, ChatGPT is a very good source of doing fast research before delving deep into details. And by the way, guys, over 80% of YouTubers are now using it to have the initial base research before counter-checking facts and even delving in it. And woe unto us, because the lazy batch among these are even just getting that information and sharing directly with you without even them doing any research, ensuring they check the facts and so forth. This is the kind of laziness which I'm talking about. And I think over time is gonna actually bring forth a clique of lazy people out there who are relying fully on machines. Whichever the machine tells them, they say yes. For example, if the machine tells them 1 + 1 is 3, they're gonna say yes. And then the second point which I wanted to share with you is that we're about to lose that fun aspect of human interaction. Most of thinking about there is some form of mechanization of different processes out there. Look here, guys. Some hotels are already, for example, using AI combined that with robotics for them to be able to serve their clients. Okay? Even so, we see, for example, in different countries out there, for example, in Japan, we have a few hotels out there who are actually using AI powered with robots to replace receptions, to replace customer service in hotels and so forth. Imagine it's gonna become natural or normal for people out there to interact with machines as if they are human beings. I think, guys, that just sucks because we're losing our human touch. I mean, that interacting with an individual at different levels of intelligence, having different perspectives and so forth is what brings the excitement in the living and different experiences out there. Think about everything just being efficient. What is that for? Right? And then the third thing I want to talk about is AI is bound to raise a clique of very lazy people in academia. What do I mean? I think it's going to give us two extremes. Those who are sharp and know how to use these tools, going to use them to actually forge much ahead in academia and research. And then we have another clique which is kind of average, and they've been going through a hard task, even doing basic academic work right now, like for example research, publications and so forth. This clique is going to really actually capitalize on these simple AI tools to enhance their laziness, because they're going to be, and even right now we have AI tools which can assist you show reference materials you need to study, right? We have AI solutions out there which can assist you summarize what a given piece of research paper or even a book entails. We have AI materials out there or tools which can even paraphrase, counter-check grammar and so forth. Guys, think about that. The power of all these AI tools in the hand of a lazy researcher is going to be disastrous, because they're going to be pumping out research papers, giving outputs which even they themselves don't understand and even they don't own. Even though it's awesome output, they don't really own it 100%. Reason being, they haven't put in the vigor that's required for them to continue contributing positively to academia and even so enhancing their own credibility. Right? And then the fourth thing which makes me think AI is going to make people out there lazy is that AI solutions out there are going to really assist us in almost all aspects of our lives. Think about it. Someone wanting to cook, asking an AI solution, what do they need to cook? How many minutes do they need to wait? And so forth. Someone out there, for example, wanting to fix an issue with their TV, they're going to revert to AI to even assist them step-by-step guide with regards to what the challenge is, what the scenario is, what is working, what is not working, and so forth. Guys, this is going to kill that creativeness. It's going to kill that human nature, because life is going to become very easy. I know it is useful. It's going to people save time out there. But also, there is some form of beauty in struggle. For you to know something, discover it works, refine that, so that next time you can be able to do that with much ease. But imagine, what if machines out there perform, assist you, solve solutions, solve problems out there? Even people out there won't be able to appreciate that they need to grasp how to do that problem solving. Reason being, they're gonna know they'll come back to this machine to assist them. It's gonna kill the beauty in the struggle, because life is gonna be extremely easy, right? And then the fifth and last thing I want to talk about is that also, guys, with advancement in AI, also people's privacy and power is gonna be off and off with time. Reason being, they guys surrender their privacy and power to different machine systems out there to assist them with different tasks. Fair enough, but think about it. What of huge leakages out there? For example, we saw the situation which happened with ChatGPT sometime in February this year. People's financial information somewhere in Italy leaked. Think about it. How disastrous could that be? In case it leaks in your country, what are the repercussions? That is some of the things I'm thinking around, which actually tells us that AI is good, but also it is quite risky. What do you think? Do you think AI is going to make human life more productive, or is going to give us a clique of lazy people out there? Don't forget down below in the comment section. Let's continue discussing. Thanks a lot for watching. I look forward to share with you other awesome videos next time. Bye-bye.